Hello, today we're going to talk about. So talk about. So about is the subject for today. So we're talking about the word about. We're literally talking about. So there are different ways to use it, and it's a few different ways, and I'll go over them now. But about here, Herodotus wrote about Greek history. So it's covering a topic. It's over or involved in a subject. So I'm talking about English. So I'm talking about this subject today. So it is covering an area. So it could be related to the moment. You must board the train. It is about to leave. So you must board the train now. It is about to leave. So that means any moment now the train will leave. About. It is about to. So it's close to leaving. So you could say that about is also related to being close to something. What are you talking about? So what is the topic? What are you talking about? I'm about to tell you. So back to the moment. I'm in the moment of telling you. I'm about to tell you. So two different two different meanings, but the same word. So the subject, the topic, the time. Now, here's another way. This is about the best coffee I have ever had. About. So here you're saying that it's almost the best coffee that I've ever had. So almost. This is about the best coffee. And I guess in a way, um, it's kind of similar to this, but no, again, it's different. Almost, about to. So I'm about to tell you this is almost the best coffee. So it's being something that's close within an area or close to something. So here are two examples again. Let's talk about this project we are about to start. So let's talk about, let's talk over the project within pertaining to the project that we are about to start, that we are almost starting or getting ready to. So so it's the two different meanings of about. Now, if you have any questions, shoot me a message. Send me a message underneath in the comment section and let me know, and I'll be glad to answer your question. So if you're interested in classes or you'd like some more information, let me know. You can call me in the US or Telegram, 615-357-7806. Send me a message, el4e.com. Click on contacts and send me a message. And make sure you click like on this video and leave a comment how you liked it. If this is on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, join the group. Thank you very much for watching.